DeLuca here. All right, today I am going to be playing around with these pre-mixed pouring paints by Arteza. This is a set of 32. I don't think this is available in the UK yet. So for my UK peeps, I'm sorry to tease you with this, but it should be coming soon, I would think. This set, you can find the link to it in my description box, as well as a 10% off coupon code, which is good until December something, 18th, I think. So let's get this party started. Let me spray this real quick, just tighten it up. Even an 8x10 can get saggy. You want it to be tight. Just spray a little water on the back and it'll tighten it right up. The colors I'm going to be using. I have forest green, pastel yellow, lavender, and sea green, and I may throw in a bit of white just to create a little more contrast. I'm going to be using this little nifty thing that I repurposed from my laundry detergent. I'm going to be doing a kind of a ribbon pour, I suppose. It has little markings on the side, if you can see them. They are not quite exact to ounces, but 3 is. That is 3 ounces. So that works out. This is a 8x10 canvas. That would need about 3 ounces of paint. So let's put some paint in a cup. I do recommend wearing gloves because this stuff is a little sticky. I will start with some lavender. Yellow, the dark green. I don't want this to look like an Easter egg, so I want to make sure I get enough contrast in there. Just a wee bit more. Okay, that looks to be about 3 ounces. Okay, here it is. Let's make a mess, shall we? I'm gonna prop this up, just tilt it, because I may want to use some of that to do some fun little streaky things. But in the meantime, let's cover up this canvas. There is no silicone in here. Kind of want to stretch this out a little bit. A little bit. I want to catch that yellow in the corner and stretch that. All right, let's just put in a bit of embellishment here, shall we? Okay, there it is. Not my typical pour, but I wanted to see how these paints reacted. And also, I wanted to try out this little nifty cup. So, the coverage looks really good on the sides. All right, well, there it is. Something a little different. Bit of a ribbon hole. All right, I'm gonna clean up and I'll bring you back in a few. Okay, here it is. You can see the edges have started to dry. The colors are still very true. So I can get in on that so you can see. Pretty much the only difference in the color, I mean, It really is just where it's wet, it's shinier. And the sides held up very well. Nice edges. But there it is, something a little different. Great technique for beginners to just kind of get their feet wet. But there it is. So as I mentioned, you can find the link for these paints in the description box, along with a coupon. Who doesn't love coupons? And I make a small commission off of anything that you purchase through Arteza, through my Arteza affiliate link. So if you're going to be getting these paints, please consider getting them from me. Also in the description box are links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. If you find my videos helpful or entertaining, it is greatly appreciated. Also, my Amazon link. If you enter through the Amazon link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. Great way to give back without costing you anything extra. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, is where you can find my art and my music for sale, including my brand new CD, Better Than Chocolate. Check that out. There's also a video for Better Than Chocolate, the song, which you can find in the description box as well. That ends the commercial portion of our video. But, you know, to be an artist, you got to have a lot of irons in the fire. That's just kind of how it is. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.